Look at the amount of money people are making. This is mind-blowing. Every morning you wake up to an alarm clock that you hate just to spend 8 hours plus working in a job that drains your soul. If that's how you feel about your job and you're watching me right now, listen, you are not lazy. You're just tired of trading your time with pennies, building someone else's dream while your own dream sits on a hold. In today's video, I'm revealing to you 5 side hustle secrets that you can start this week. Wait, did I just say this week? That you can start immediately after you watch this video with $0. It's time for you to escape this 9 to 5 grind and take back control of your time and your income. Here's the harsh truth in 2025. Having just one job is the riskiest way to live in this century. Companies are now replacing people with AI and salaries and not keeping up with the inflation. And for job security, that is just an illusion. But there is good news. There has never been a better time to build a profitable side hustle, even if you are just starting out from scratch. Stick with me because in this video, I'm breaking down 5 underrated powerful side hustles that are working in 2025. Side hustles that you can actually scale to full-time jobs and start earning more and escape this 9 to 5 for good. No bluff, no fake screenshots, just real and actionable steps that you can take and start earning. So let's dive right in. But before we get into that, if this is your first time on my channel and you're wondering, who the heavens is she? Hi, my name is Claudia Fonguh and this is my YouTube channel. On this channel, we talk about everything small business ideas, side hustle ideas, how you can make money online and how you can build wealth. If these are the kind of content you're interested in, then click on that like button, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that you will not miss out on all the videos we upload on this channel on how you can earn money from the online space. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for always clicking on play each time you see any of my videos. I do not take that for granted. Namaste. Now, the first side hustle that is underrated is AI-powered freelancing. Now, a lot of us have been crying AI is taking our jobs and all that, and it's time for us to use AI, monetize it, and scale to making money as much as possible. Now, here's the scope. Use tools like ChatGPT, Canva to deliver content writing, social media posts, or even to simplify your designing on Fiverr and Upwork, even on LinkedIn. All right. The way you have to go about it is to start with services that solves problems for small businesses. What you have to do as a freelancer is to target these small businesses because they have a lot of problems they are dealing with. And when you see the problem, use AI to solve that problem. You can start with a platform like ChatGPT, just giving a prompt and it's going to give an answer to the problem you are looking for. If you're doing designing, you can use Canva. Canva has a free version and a paid version, but you can use that free version to do a lot of things. All right, I'm going to leave the link below. Just click on it, go to Canva and start creating designs that solves problems for small businesses. For you to be able to scale in this, you must be able to solve problems. Go to the marketplaces, go to small businesses and search for their problems, and then you find solutions to that, bring it up to them with AI, and you start earning. The second way you can actually earn money that is underrated from this social media space in 2025 is TikTok affiliate marketing. A lot of people are making money from TikTok affiliate marketing, while others are still ignorant about the amount of money you can make. You do not need 1,000 followers or 10,000 followers or 100,000 followers or 1 million followers to be able to make money from TikTok affiliate marketing. You don't need 1 million followers. Just create a short video around a trending product and add your affiliate link to this video and boom. When people use that link to purchase the product or service, you start earning money. You can use a platform like ClickBank. You can also use a platform like Amazon Affiliate and a lot more. If you're looking forward to start making money on TikTok as an affiliate marketer, check out this video right here. It has detailed platforms in which you can get links to affiliate marketing products and you earn. Now, a lot of you will be like, Claudia, what is affiliate marketing? Simple. Affiliate marketing, all you need to do is to find product. You get products or services, you get a link to that product or services, you share on other platforms. When someone uses that link to purchase these goods or services, you start making money from that. Easy peasy. TikTok affiliate marketing is underrated, but you can make a lot of money. If you want to start out with this or with AI powered freelancing, let me know on the comment section. If you have any worries, any problem, type it right there and I will respond to your text with a video that solves that problem or the question you have in mind. Now, if you've been watching this video up to this moment and you've not yet clicked on that like button, please go right there, click on it, subscribe and turn on your notification bell because you'll be blown out with the underrated ways you can earn money from the online space this 2025. Thank you all for the subscribes, for the likes, the comments, and everything you do to support this small, amazing community. Now, the third underrated way you can earn money this 2025 from the online space is digital product on Gumroad and Payhip. I've talked about these two platforms a lot and I will keep talking because a lot of you are still ignorant why some are making thousands of dollars every month. And if you're in Nigeria, you're looking for a way to make money online and you've been like you can't find the platform, digital product on Gumroad and Payhip is the way you should go. I mean, look at the amount of money people are making from Gumroad and Payhip. This is mind-blowing. Listen, you can do things like ebooks, Notion templates, and Canva planner. You can create these things just once and you would sell forever. That is the amazing thing about digital products. I mean, just go to Canva, create an ebook, and then you can upload this ebook on a platform like Gumroad, Payhip, even on Amazon. And when somebody queues into this, you are earning money on the go. And you can continue earning money from this digital product as long as that product is in need in the market. Forever. As simple as that. And to tell you guys the truth, I made my first $100 selling a digital product. I actually wrote this book about freelancing in Africa and I uploaded it on Amazon and I was surprised at the amount of people that read that book. I mean, it's an ebook. You can create whatever digital product you want to create, sell on a lot of platforms. If you want to start out with this, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to put you through. But you can watch a video like this. It's going to give you closure, step-by-step closure on how you can start with digital product. And also, which of this digital product is in demand in the market, because for you to be able to sell and to sell well and fast is for you to create a digital product that is in demand in the market or that is solving problems in the market. The fourth underrated way you can earn money from the online space this 2025 is voiceover and faceless YouTube channels. Oh my God. If you know the amount of money people are making from voiceover and faceless YouTube channels, your mind will be blown away. Now take a look at this channel right here.
The most common question I consistently receive on my YouTube channel is how I get my AI voiceover. So today, I'm creating this video to share with you two of my favorite tools for getting human-like, realistic voiceovers or your faceless YouTube channel.
See the amount of views this person is getting from a voice-over channel. And this other one, a faceless YouTube channel, look at the amount of views this person is getting. And the truth about these channels is, it wouldn't take you a long time to get monetized because you do not have a lot of work to do. If you want to start up a YouTube channel right now and you're like, Claudia, I don't want to be in front of the camera like you know, go on research, then you have to be in front of the camera to record, and after that you have to edit and then you post. You don't want that much work, you don't want your face out there. A voice-over channel or a faceless YouTube channel is what you can do. You don't want to show your face, right? Use AI voiceover, stock videos, ChatGPT to script out your YouTube channel. This is popping right now on YouTube. And to make it easier, there is this platform, InVideo AI, that will actually create a full video for you with just a prompt. You can watch this video right here to see step by step how you can get started creating your Faceless YouTube channel using InVideo AI. You'll be blown out with what you need to do. Just simple, giving a prompt, and InVideo AI will do that for you. If you don't want to go on with, voice over, then you look for stock videos or stock images to put together, to edit and put together, go to InVideo AI. Easy, busy, and you start making this money. I mean, every YouTuber, everyone on YouTube wants to have a second or a third channel with this voiceover or a faceless YouTube channel. All right. If you're about to start out any of these four that I've mentioned, let me know on the comment section. If you have a problem with any of them, four of them, let me also know. I will create a video on how you can solve that problem or how you can start out with any of these ways you can earn money from the online space. And if you're watching me right now up to this moment, you've not clicked on the like, please click on the like. It's going to help the algorithm of YouTube to send this video to as many people as possible. Your likes actually informs the algorithm that no, this video is of value and a lot of people need to see it. Namaste. Merci beaucoup. Thank you all so much. And when you like, make sure you subscribe and drop an amazing comment that is related to this video. The fifth underrated way you can earn money from the online space this 2025 that people are not talking about is online tutoring and coaching. My God. If you know the amount of money people make online from tutoring and coaching, you'll be amazed. See, it is time for you to take action. Stop listening to all these methods of making money and you're not making money. Take action on any of them, and if you fall short anywhere, come back to the comment section or send me an email and I'll respond to you on step by step how you can start making this money using the method you're interested in. If you know something that others don't know, then monetize that thing. Whether it's English, it is physics, it's chemistry, it is nutrition, or whatever it is, you can take action right now, monetize it, and start earning. You can go to a platform like Canva and you write a resume and start tutoring or coaching on different online platforms. You can start on websites like Preply or even on Zoom. Okay, forget about other platforms that you can actually tutor on and earn money. If you don't want to start on those ones, you can have your Zoom sessions and you educate people or tutor people or coach people about something you know better, and you are earning money from that. I mean, Instagram DMs is all you need. So these are the 5 underrated ways you can earn money from the online space this 2025 that people are not talking about, but a lot of people who know about it are earning money every month using this method. So, if you are interested in any of these 5 ways to earn money, get started today. You don't need to wait for next week. You can start right now, and in the next 1 month, you would see how you've grown in skills in that particular way you have chosen to earn money from the online space. The choice is all yours. Stay stuck to your 9 to 5 job or build something that gives you freedom. All right, comments below, let me know which of these side hustles you're going to start out right after this video. And if you're serious about escaping this 9 to 5 job this 2025, hit on that subscribe button, smash the like button, and turn on your bell button, because I'll be dropping new videos every other week on different ways you can earn money from the online space. I mean, real ways you can earn money, not by carrying out tasks or all those things that will just pay you some few cents or some few dollars, but ways you can be able to earn $1,000 and above every month from the online space with no skills, with no experience, and no financial investment. If you have just your smartphone, then you're already halfway into making money, having your smartphone and internet connection. And I know you all have smartphones. I'm not talking about fancy smartphones. Any phone that you can communicate on WhatsApp or watch people's videos on YouTube or any other social media platform, you can use that smartphone, your internet connection, to start making $1,000 and above from the social media space. Before we go, listen to this and keep this in mind. You weren't born to just pay bills and die. You weren't born to be on the social media space and watch people excel, make money, while all you do is to watch them or to help them make money by losing your money, buying internet and watching them. Let us break that circle. One hustle at a time. If you have a worry, a problem about any way you're struggling to make money online, let me know on the comment section and I'll be right there to support you with a solution to your problem. Love you all, and until next time, keep on searching and keep on making the money. Bye-bye.